We identified just in the previous video that you need to be earning out of your business about $300,000 a year. In a small business, you might want to set up your cash flow just on the back of a small piece of paper, back of a cigarette packet type of calculation. How much you need to have for a cash flow budget. And in this business here, we're going to assume that you're having a 50% profit margin, which is made by a 100% markup. So you've got $500,000 of cost of goods going out of your business, which is made up between $250,000 for labour and $250,000 going out for materials, adding up to $500,000. You mark those up by 100%, so you're now generating a gross revenue of $1 million in sales. Take away your $500,000 in cost, gives you a gross profit of $500,000 to run the rest of the business. If we look at your expenses and take away your rent, insurance, accounting, and all of these other fees that you've got to just run your business, let's calculate those and say that they're $350,000. Your drawings will put in there at the $100,000 target that we had on the previous example. So we've got a total of $450,000 of expenses coming up. So the net profit is $450,000 away from $500,000. Gives us a net of $50,000 coming out of our net profit line. Adding this back up, $50,000 net profit plus $450,000 gives us $500,000 of gross profit, gives us $1 million of gross revenue and $500,000 cost of goods sold. Now, this may not be enough to match the target that we've got, where we need to be earning $300,000. Consequently, you now might be saying, the only way that I'm going to grow this is either through organic growth, and if you reinvest that money back into your business, which is taking it from here up into your cost of goods sold, $500,000 last year over a 12-month period made you $1 million. An extra $50,000 from the bottom line will only increase your revenue by plus $50,000 here, takes you to $550,000 of cost of goods, and this will take you to $1.1 million, or a simple 10% increase, which is a far cry short of your target of $300,000 net profit coming out to you as the owner. So this is where you need to go to the next video in the series, which is all part of part 1 on mergers and acquisitions with the business doctor, and we will then look at how you identify a merger and what could be some of the considerations that you'd want to be looking at as far as numbers go. I'll see you in a minute.